Hello everyone, welcome to Vysh IAS YouTube channel and to the MCQ series, that is Plums. Okay, today is episode number 118 on April 1st, 2023. So as part of today's MCQs, we are going to deal MCQs related to CSAT math, aptitude and reasoning. On daily basis, as part of Plums, we are dealing 5 MCQs at 9 p.m. Tuesday is about geography and environment, Wednesday is about polity, governance and schemes, Thursday is about economic, budget and survey, Saturday is about CSAT math, aptitude and reasoning, and Sir is also taking current affairs, maps and IR on Sunday, history, art and culture on Monday, science and technology on Friday. If you practice the right way, then no one can stop you from clearing the UPSC exam. So, there are other playlists which are already present in the Vysh IAS YouTube channel, like ancient history, medieval history, modern history, NCERTs, editorials, etc. There are lots of videos already present, so they are accessed for everyone for free of cost. So only thing that you can do is you can hit the bell icon and subscribe to our channel, that is Vysh IAS, and save this number 7200681675, and you can WhatsApp to that number as UPSC free for foundational videos. And if you have any queries also, you can resolve there. Okay. So without any further delay, now let's start today's MCQs. So let's start today's MCQs, that is MCQ number 1. So they have given us A, B, C, D, E, F, G are members of the family consisting of 4 adults and 3 children. So this family consists of 4 adults and 3 children. Okay, this we have to remember. And 2 of whom are F and G are girls. Okay, 2 of whom that are F and G. So out of these 3 children, 2 are F and G. These both are girls. Okay, F and G are the 2 children out of the 3 children. These both are girls and the other person is male. A and D are brothers and A is a doctor. They have given that A and D are brothers and A is a doctor. E is an engineer married to one of the brothers and has 2 children. So out of this A and D, E married to one brother. Okay, and that E is an engineer. B is married to D. See, out of these 2 brothers, one is D. D is already married to B. It means that A is married to E. So, A is nothing but A is married to E. Okay, A is married to E and A and D are brothers and D is married to B. Okay, these both are couples and these both are couple. Okay, and the A and E are married and they have 2 children. These both have 2 children. And D and B are married and they have one child, that is G. G is a girl child. We know that G is a girl child as per the given data. Okay. And these both have 2 children. So left out people are, so we have finished A, we have finished B, we have finished C is not finished, D is finished. Okay. We have finished E's data also. We have finished F data also and G data also. The remaining one is F and C. Okay, F and C are left out. So F and C are children of E and A. F is a girl child. So C is a boy child. So they have asked who is C. C is A's son. Okay, C is son of A. This is what the question number 1 is. So C is son of A. So 4th option is the correct answer for MCQ number 1. So answer number 4, that is option number 4 is the correct answer. Now let's solve MCQ number 2. A number series is given with one term missing. Choose the correct alternative that will continue the same pattern and fill in the blank spaces. So they are asked the missing number. Okay, let's write the data initially. 1, 4, 27, 16, 36 and 343. So if you observe this series, 1 to 4 is increasing. Okay, 4 to 27 is increasing. Again 27 to 16 is decreasing. If you get this type of data, increasing and decreasing data, we have to see the alternative numbers. Okay, the alternative numbers are 1, 27 dash and 343. 1 is nothing but, if you observe, 1, 27 dash and 343. 1 is nothing but 1 cube, right? 27 is nothing but 3 cube if you observe it. So 1, 3 and now it should be 5 cube and 7 cube is 343. So the blank should be 5 cube. 5 cube is nothing but 125. So 125 is the answer for the MCQ number 1. MCQ number 2. For the question number 2, option number C, that is 125 is the correct answer. Which figure will replace the question mark? If you observe the given series, so this line this particular line, this kind of line, if you see the rotation of this line, initially it is in this way, and in the second figure it is in this way, right? In the third figure it is rotating in this direction, right? In the fourth figure again it is in this direction. In the fifth figure it should be again in this direction, because it is rotating in a clockwise direction. If you observe, this particular line is rotating from one figure to other figure in a clockwise direction. Okay, clockwise 45 degrees angle it is rotating. So we have to find the next one. Next one definitely it should be, so in the first figure it is in this way, in the second figure it is in this way, in the third figure it is in this way, and in the fourth figure it is in this way. Definitely fifth figure it should be in this way, in this way. So if you observe, this kind of figure is there in the option number A. So option number A is the correct answer. You can look at this particular another line also. The another line is represented in this way, right? So in the second figure it is represented in this way. In the third figure it is represented in this way. In the fourth figure it is represented in this way. If you look at, if you observe it, it is also moving in a clockwise direction. Definitely the next figure should have this kind of figure. So this kind of figure is there in the option number A. So option number A is the correct answer for MCQ number 3. Now let's solve MCQ number 4. In a school there are 5 teachers, A, B, C, D and E. A and B are in Hindi and English. Okay, let me write the data. A, B, C, D, E. A and B are Hindi and English teachers. Okay, A and B are Hindi and English teachers. Okay, C and B are English and geography teachers. C is nothing but English teacher, and B again is a geography teacher also. And now if you look at the further data, D and A teach mathematics and Hindi. D teaches mathematics and A teaches Hindi. Again Hindi is repeated, so I am not writing it. Okay, for A Hindi is already there, so Hindi is repeated in the data, so I am not writing it again. E and B teaches history and French. E teaches history and B teaches French. So who teaches the maximum number of subjects? If you observe the given data, B teaches 3 subjects, A teaches 1 subject, C teaches 1 subject, D teaches 1 subject and E teaches 1 subject. So B is the correct answer. So out of A, B, D, E, B teaches the maximum number of subjects. So option number 2, that is B, is correct answer for question number 4. Now let's solve MCQ number 5, that is final MCQ of the day. Out of 130 students appearing in an exam, 62 failed in science, 52 failed in English, whereas 24 failed in both science and English. The number of students who passed is option A 50, option B 20, option C 40, option D 30. Okay, there is a typo mistake. So these are options. First option is 50, second option is 20, third option is 40 and fourth option is 30. So this kind of questions we have to represent in a Venn diagram format so that it will be easier for solving. So initially they have given out of 130 students appearing in exam. In the science exam, 62 people failed. Okay, in the science exam, 62 people failed. And in the English exam, 52 people failed. In the English exam, 52 people have failed. And 24 failed in the both English and science. So this particular represents, this particular intersection represents the people who failed both the exam, that is 24. So the number of students who passed in both the exams are, so it means that they are asking who passed this. Out of 130 students, these many failed, and they are asking how many people passed the exam. So if you look at the data, students who failed only science are 62 minus 24. Okay, they failed only in science. And who failed only in English are 52 minus 24. And who failed both the papers are 24. So these are the total number of failed people. If you calculate this particular equation, this 24 and this 24 get cancelled. 62 plus 52 minus 24 is nothing but 90. So 90 people failed both the exams. Then how many people failed, then how many people passed the exam is something they are asking. So out of 130 students, 90 people failed. So out of 130, 90 people failed. 130 minus 90 is nothing but it is 40. Okay, 40 people passed the exam. So option number 3, that is 40, is the correct answer for question number 5. So option number C. So that is it for today's video. I hope so you have enjoyed this series. So in the same way, we are dealing 5 MCQs tomorrow also in the next episode. So until then, please subscribe to our channel and stay tuned. Keep smiling and bye-bye.